MSA and CANDA and vendor agreements. This video helps independent contract recruiters to understand about Master Service Agreement, Non-Compete Agreement, Exclusivity and Non-Disclosure Agreement and Placements Paperwork. First time ever in staffing industry. On each placement, Cloud Big Data pays you 40% of the corp-to-corp vendor margin. Just achieve 12 placements. Earn up to $96,768 in 12 recurring months. Across India, hundreds of RICRs earning up to $96,768 in 12 recurring months. Vendor agreement. If you are getting started to work with a client, or vendor, you need to request them to send their vendor agreement to you. Forward the vendor agreement to Cloud Big Data Contract Management Team at contractmanagement@cloudbig.com. Cloud Big Data Contract Management Team will carefully review and sign the vendor agreement and will send the signed copy to your client, or vendor. Master Service Agreement. Before submitting consultants for your client, or vendor corp-to-corp requirements, you must ask your suppliers to review and sign the Master Service Agreement with Cloud Big Data. Cloud Big Data recommend all independent contract recruiters to read our Master Service Agreement carefully to understand the clauses. Master Service Agreement avoids and prohibits the consultants, or their employers, suppliers to bypass Cloud Big Data. As soon as the suppliers sign the Cloud Big Data Master Service Agreement, then submit those consultants to your client, or vendor corp-to-corp requirements. Non-Compete Agreement. Use Cloud Big Data's Master Service Agreement as Non-Compete Agreement. Exclusivity and Non-Disclosure Agreement. If the consultant agrees to proceed with joining Cloud Big Data payroll on W-2 contract basis, then the consultant need to sign the Exclusivity and Non-Disclosure Agreement with Cloud Big Data. As soon as the consultant signs the Exclusivity and Non-Disclosure Agreement, then add those consultants to Cloud Big Data hot list using VMS portal and start marketing. Corp-to-corp placements paperwork. As soon as the consultant gets selected in the client interview, client, or vendor issues the placement paperwork. As soon as the placement paperwork gets completed with client, or vendor, Cloud Big Data will send the placement paperwork to supplier. As soon as placement paperwork gets completed from both sides, the placed consultant is now ready to start the project at client location. Bench sales placements paperwork. As soon as the consultant gets selected in the client interview, client, or vendor issues the placement paperwork. As soon as the placement paperwork gets completed with client, or vendor, Cloud Big Data would hire the consultant on W-2 contract basis, without benefits, to start the project at client location. 7,500 plus independent contract recruiters and franchise owners are part of Cloud Big Data. All achievers earn up to $2,500 joining bonus. All achievers get free holiday trips to Thailand, Singapore, Dubai, Mauritius, and Europe. Start your own franchise with Cloud Big Data. Earn more than 2.5 crores per year. Join as independent contract recruiter today with Cloud Big Data. Visit our video channel www.cloudbigd.com/channel.